How to fix some update files aren't signed correctly error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. SFC and DISM are command line utilities that help fix corrupted system files and resolve update-related issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Wait till the scan is finished. If Windows finds system file integrity violations, it will attempt to fix them. After this, use the set of the following commands, pressing enter each time. If that didn't work, open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the media creation tool allows you to create installation media or directly upgrade your system, which can often resolve update-related problems.